Welcome to the art project. We're going to do another drawing challenge. This is drawing challenge number 10 for while we are quarantined with the coronavirus. We're going to work on value. First, I'll rip a piece of paper, roll it up a little bit. You can make your piece of paper however you want to and use multiple pieces of paper if you want to. Draw the piece of paper, which you ought to be pretty good at by now because we've been doing a lot of drawing from observation. Just kind of do a real light pencil drawing. And then we're going to focus on shading. Look closely at the different values. You should try and get at least 7 to 8 different values. Look at how it's darker on one side and lighter on the other. Even though it is a piece of white paper, if you look at the picture, the reference photo I've got there for you, you can see that it is not a white piece of paper anymore. It has shadows all over it. There are some white places, but for the most part, it is shadows everywhere. Look closely at them, study them, do the best you can at depicting the shadows because it's the shadows that make this thing look real. It's a much shorter video for you today. Shouldn't take too much to see this and see what you're supposed to do, but it takes a lot of practice to get it right. I think I could have taken the shading a whole lot further, but I ran out of time and I didn't really realize it until I'd already started editing this video. So sorry about that. Double check yourself, get friends to check it for you, take a picture of it and compare the photograph that you take to the drawing that you draw and exaggerate the darkness of the shadows. You'll be surprised at how realistic you can make it look. One of the reasons we're using a torn piece of paper is it's just a very simple object that you can look and learn how to shade with. But that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe and share it. And show me what you did on social media platforms. And that's it. Go make smart.